Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find your liked post on Rednote. So for you to do this, you need to access your profile, and here's how you do it. You open your Rednote app on your device, and then once it opens up, we're going to look for the profile icon, which is located at the bottom navigation bar. The profile icon looks like a person, so here it is at the bottom. Here you click on it, and so after clicking on that, the next thing you need to do is look for a section called like or liked posts. So you can see it here, likes here. So this is it. So likes are only visible to you. So that's like post. Now it should display a list of all the posts you've liked on your Rednote platform. Now that's it. It's as simple as that. That is how to see or find like posts in Rednote. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.